Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and today is a special day because we have some Corsair memory in the eTeknix offices. And that's not normally a frequent thing. So we're actually really excited the fact that we've got probably one of the most affluent manufacturers of memory on the market. And we decided to spice it up a little bit. So what we've got here is a DDR4 memory kit. It's the Corsair Vengeance RGB, 4x8GB sticks. So we've got 32GB of 2666. And of course, being Corsair, it is RGB. So let's jump in and have a look. As we all know, memory prices are through the roof right now, but this hasn't stopped some of the biggest brands from trying to innovate by changing a simple stick of memory into something oh so glorious. This typically involves copious amounts of funky lighting, and with RGB in the title, the Corsair Vengeance certainly doesn't shy away from this aspect. Lighting aside, the modules come in either black or white, and are nicely finished with subtle patterning on the surface. The branding is recessed slightly on the front of the modules and boasts about the RGB right up front. The heat spreaders offer good thermal conductivity, and on the whole, this looks almost identical to Corsair's existing Vengeance range of memory, but now with added lighting. In situ, it looks nice and stylish, and the segmented design around the top complements the new RGB lighting very well. For control of the lighting, the Vengeance RGB utilises Corsair's own software, Corsair Link. This offers a solid variety of options, including the ability to group the modules as you see fit, apply various different patterns and colours to each group, and control each module independently. This means that the RGB lighting is fully customisable without the need for any extra cables. Additionally, you can also use the Corsair Link software to monitor the timings, and also the temperatures of each independent memory module. The RGB functionality will work with most motherboard brands and their own software. This means you can synchronize your lighting with the other components in your build. This will, in turn, give a more unified look, and this is always a great feature to have. The Corsair Vengeance clocks in at 2666 MHz, and ours came in a 32GB quad channel kit, comprising of 4 8GB modules. Though it should be noted, many different SKUs are available in multiple capacities and speeds. The RAM timings are 16, 18, 18, 35, and the memory operates at 1.2 volts, which is quite low. This is a good thing as it should give us some nice overclocking headroom. The Vengeance is fully optimized for Intel platforms and supports XMP 2.0 for out-of-the-box overclocking. This isn't to say that it won't work well with AMD platforms, just that it's certified for use on Intel boards. Each module is touted as being built using custom performance PCBs and specially screened ICs for superior overclocking performance and reliability. When we overclocked this memory, we managed to take it from a stock speed of 2666 MHz all the way up to 3066 MHz, while using stock timings and stock voltage. So now that that's out the way, let's take a look at both the benchmarks at stock and when overclocked. Overall, this is a great looking kit. The RGB looks cool, the low voltage it runs at gives some good overclocking headroom, and it's easy to use without any messy extra cables. Performance wise, we got some good results at stock, and the low voltage translated to some good overclocking scores. The Corsair Vengeance RGB currently retails in the UK at £185 for a 16GB kit, which, given the high price of memory in general right now, is nothing out of the ordinary, and you'll definitely get some funky looking bang for your buck. So there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and hopefully you're like me. You actually appreciate RGB when it's used right. And I think Corsair definitely have it right with the Vengeance RGB. There's so many different colors to choose from, and it will look great in any system, whether it's a Corsair chassis or any other brand for that matter. So there you go. If you did enjoy the video, remember to subscribe to get great video content like this directly to your inbox. Remember to give us a thumbs up, comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later.